document linking design, operations and owners together, and we're really excited about the interest it's had already.
So it's not a technical document, it's designed to be an in-use document, and it's full of checklists and guidance notes that help those people working in the operational arena and the design arena to provide adequate maintenance and maintenance strategies.
The effective operation and maintenance of a building starts with its design. This guide is the one place they can go to that covers all the subjects that they need to understand when they manage maintenance and engineering.